Okay, we are continuing with our series on keeping business local, and I have a preferred local vendor here with me today. Andy is from All Area Moving and Storage. Hi, Andy.
Hi, glad to be here.
Can you tell me a little bit about yourself and your business?
Sure, as far as myself, I have been in this area for about 40 years, been living in Mariner Village for 18. Original background was lending, then I went to property management. My husband and I had a large company. I got out of that and started working at a moving company. 23 years later, I retired from that moving company. And I got a call from a very nice guy that asked me if I wanted to get back in the industry, and here I am.
I really appreciate your property management expertise as well. So you've
Well,
seen a lot.
Yeah, and you have to know a lot of the ins and outs as far as access to properties and who you have to work with, who you have to get approvals from.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it's been an experience. It is a circle of different services. So
What do you think would be a fear or an anxiety that people might have when it comes to a moving company?
the ultimate fear is that you are asking somebody to give them everything that you own. Literally give them everything you own and take it away in a truck.
Is there anything in your formula or anything you do differently?
Well, I spent a lot of years with a large national van line. I prefer what I'm doing now, which is locally owned, family run. It's more hands-on. There's not a corporate handling the move. Everybody is employees. They've been working with us for a while.
Mm-hmm.
That you can run through the background checks and they know what they're doing, and it's not just pick it up and put it down.
Can you maybe give an example of some benefits having a company that has employees versus day laborers?
Well, the first thing is that you know who you're working with and you are absolutely a team.
Mm-hmm.
If you bring day laborers in or somebody from another office, they're not used to working as a team with your people.
Mm-hmm.
And it really is interesting to watch how some of these guys will move a safe or take a baby grand piano down and put it on its side and pad wrap it and get it ready to move. Our guys know that when we go in, the floors are protected. They put runners down. Your furniture is wrapped. Either if it's upholstered furniture, it's stretch wrapped in the house. If it's wood furniture, it's pad wrapped in the house. Nothing gets taken out to the truck barehanded. And that's also a big reason why you don't have claims for damage.
Do you happen to carry the same type of insurance or coverage as those bigger companies?
Everybody has the same coverage for local moves, and then there's different coverage available for out-of-state moves. And the good thing is that we're here to handle it.
When you say you're here to handle it, that means that you would actually be the one that would handle the claims. You would be hands-on with that.
Right. If your truck falls off the face of the earth and you have a claim like that, that's going to go through the insurance companies.
Okay.
Without a doubt. But if you get delivered and you see that you've got a little nick on the side of a table or something, truthfully, we have people that can do the repairs.
Oh, okay.
Everybody has their little group of preferred vendors
Yes.
that do that sort of work. I've had people that only do antique glass work.
Okay.
You know, so it's everybody. You get to know people, and you know who you can trust and who can do the job. And we care about what we do. Word of mouth is still a huge advertisement.
Yes, and reputation is very important for a local business that will make or break you.
Absolutely, absolutely. So.
All right. Well, that is Andy with All Area Moving and Storage, and you're going to see her information flash at the bottom of the screen. And also, Andy's going to give that to you now.
Certainly. What we can do is if you have any need for an estimate, feel free to give us a call. The office number is 772-468-7273, and we'll set up an estimate for you and go from there. But if you have any questions, feel free to call me. Leave a message for me if you have any questions about what should I do if, or when do I call for an estimate or that sort of thing. Give me a call. My number is 772-486-1570.
Thank you, Andy.
Thank you. It's funny that you say, you know, maybe you should tell people calm their fears or give them some information they didn't know. And I sat last night and I thought, what's the first thing that people are afraid of with movers? Breaking their stuff and their pricing.